Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. I appreciate all of you. So today's recipe, we are making chicken akara. Yes, you heard me right, chicken akara. It's so yummy, so delicious. Your family will like it. My kids love chicken akara. So guys, if you want to see how I made this, just watch this video to the end. Keep liking my videos, keep giving my videos thumbs up, and keep sharing, please. So guys, let us run through our ingredients for our chicken akara. Here we have our already washed beans. I made a video where I showed how you can use your blender to wash your beans so fast and so easy by using the pause mode. Then we have our chicken. I already boiled the chicken. I seasoned with only chicken seasoning, salt, rosemary, and some curry. Then this is the chicken stock. I had to sieve it so that it's so plain. Then I'll be using some chopped onions. Then I'll be using this Shomgbo or kind pepper. I don't like my akara to be white inside. I just like a bit of color. That's why I'm using that one. Then I'll be using this Scotch bonnet pepper. Just chop it and put it inside. Then you are seeing an egg there. We are using egg because I want our akara to be fluffy. So I'll be using that egg. Then of course our salt to taste. So what I'm going to do now is to blend the beans. If your blender is strong, you can add so much at a time. But if you are trying to manage your blender, then don't add too much at a time. This should be enough for this batch. Then I'll take one of the pepper. Then I'll chop some of the chicken. Let me look for the fleshy part. Chop it, and then I'll blend it with the beans. We are not making chicken flavored akara. We are doing akara that you are going to be eating chunk of chicken in the akara. Then I'll be using the stock to blend. Instead of using your water, you now use the chicken stock to blend it. And you know when you're making akara, you don't need so much liquid so that your akara is not runny. So guys, this is what the beans looks like. You can see it's not white, it has some color. So that is how I like to take my akara. So I'll go in with the next batch and I'll blend before we continue. I'll be using the chopped onions, but if you want to blend yours, you can blend. Just I like having that crunchiness in my in my akara. That's why I normally use chopped onions. So now I'll add the chicken, then I'll blend. I'm done. I'll add it into the bowl. Don't add too much water when you are blending your akara. If not, you just splash in the oil. So I'll just slice this pepper now and I'll add it into the bowl of blended beans. I'm using just 2. If you cannot withstand this, then you take 1. But if you want more pepper, then you can add more. But I know I can take this, so I'm using just these 2. And again, if you want to blend your pepper with it, you can also do that. So I'm using this yellow and red pepper for color. So when you open the inside of your akara, you'll be seeing different colors. So I'll turn it into the bowl. I'll chop onions. Then I'll crack in this egg for fluffy, so that the akara will be so fluffy. You know, we are going to stir this akara very well. But if you have your hand mixer, this is where it comes in. Then I'll add in some salt. Don't over salt your beans. So I'll keep on stirring to incorporate some air. So when you are frying your akara, you can see it floating on the oil and not soaking at the bottom of your frying pan. Back then, we used to use mortar for this, but now you can just do what I'm doing, or you use your hand mixer for this. Let me taste for salt. I think I just have to add some more salt. This will be okay. So just keep stirring. I'm doing this just to tell those who don't have hand mixer that you can also use your spatula to incorporate into your akara. That is done. I'll now take the chicken, then cut them into chunks. When you take one bite, you take a chunk of chicken. For this to be easy or too good, you have to use soft chicken or the chicken breast area. Make sure there's no bone, so you have to debone very, very well. So I'm adding the chopped chicken. One bite of akara, one chunk of chicken. So while doing this, the oil is already on the fire getting hot. You can see how colorful here. You have red, you have purple, and you have yellow. So colorful. So now it's time for us to fry. You can see the oil is hot now because I just added that little one to know if the oil is hot, so I can go ahead now and start adding the akara batter. Make sure when you are scooping, you take some chunks of chicken, so that each bite you must have the feel of chicken. This is akara that went to Harvard. Again, don't overfill your frying pan, so you can stir the akara very well. Let me just add one more. You can see our chicken akara is turning out well. When you are frying akara, don't allow the heat to be too much. Let it be on medium heat so it doesn't get burnt. If the oil is too hot, then you have brown akara outside, then the inside won't be well cooked. So just use your medium heat to do it. I just stir them. I'll keep on stirring because I don't want it to get burnt. When you are frying akara, use a deep fry, not a shallow frying. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is heavenly. Our chicken akara is looking so yummy-cious. See how nice they are looking. So they are golden brown. I'll take them out and put in a paper towel so that it can take out the excess oil. But if you want it to be more golden, you can leave yours more in the oil. But I'll just be taking these ones out now because they are already cooked in and out. I can't wait to take this with hot pap. You can take yours with oats, custard. You can even take it with bread. You can do akara burger with this. It will be so yummy. I'm done with this. I will now fry the other batch. So guys, our chicken akara is ready. I just had a bite of it and it was so delicious. One bite and a chunk of chicken in the akara. I want you guys to try this and let me know what you think in the comment section. Your kids will love it. Your hubby will love it. It's so yummy. You can take it with your bread as bread burger. You can take it with your oats or hot pap. Custard, anything can go with it. Guys, it's so yummy. You see how the akara is looking in it. You can see how colorful it is. It's not white like we used to have. And you can see some chicken, chunk of chicken here. You can see red, you can see yellow. And wow, I can't explain this. Just try it and taste it. I'm really enjoying it. And I'm going to be taking mine with hot oats. Guys, if you have followed me to this moment, please subscribe, keep liking my videos, and I'll see you in my next. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.